we'll let you guys know when to go to the buffet line. So give or take 15 Hawaiian minutes, so just keep drinking. Next time, we'll let you guys know when to go. Bye.